What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and today we're gonna finish up detailing the Jeep. It was sitting around for a little bit while I was finishing another project, so we will have to probably wash it again, or at least quick detail it. But today we're gonna use this solution finish black trim restore, and we're gonna restore all this black trim that's faded to like a white chalky. The fender flares aren't as bad. The front bumper is horrible. It's actually like a white gray. Definitely in desperate need of this stuff, so we're gonna get some gloves on. We read the directions. It seems pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. You're just gonna rub liberal amounts on, let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then kind of buff it off. So it does have a rattler of some sort inside the bottle, and it does say shake it, so I guess the stuff probably settles. We'll shake it up good, get a microfiber towel, get our gloves on, and get to work. Got a little bit on our microfiber rag here, so we're going to go ahead and start rubbing that in. Seems pretty easy. And if it comes out looking like that, minus a little bit of the shine, we'll be in good shape. This plastic's definitely going to soak it up because it's been a long time since this had any kind of product on it. Definitely been neglected. So we'll see how well it does on this. What a difference, guys. That stuff really works. This bumper had some slight damage spots on it to where, they rubbed something. So it's a little shinier in those spots. That's because it's smooth. It doesn't have the texture on them anymore. But definitely improves the look and restores that. Like I said, this was probably an extreme situation where it was extremely dry. So we might have to let it sit for a day or two and then hit it again. But definitely drastically improve the looks on it. Just standing back, it looks new again. So let's keep going, get the rest of it cleaned up, restored, whatever you want to call it, and make this thing presentable. Wow, guys, what a difference that stuff makes, that Solutions Finish Trim Restore. I mean, just don't take my word for it. Look at the difference it made on this Jeep. This was severely neglected, very dull finish. It was actually chalky. Take a walk around. The fender flares and the bumpers were the worst, and it brought them back really nicely. The finishes that weren't so chalked out and bad, it really made them look good. It's not greasy at all. Once you let that sit in and wipe it off, it works really well, and it should stay there for quite a while. Like I said, we may have to wait and come back and hit the flares and bumpers again, one more coat maybe. But like door handles and stuff, they were extremely chalky too, like gray looking. It definitely brought them back also. We'll take a quick walk around the rest of the Jeep. We took the rag, we didn't really put it on the top, but we did take the rag that we had used to polish and just kind of went around the top, and it definitely helped it some. I don't know if it's really meant for that, but it definitely shined it up some. Again, door handles, and we even hit the rubber trim, fender flares, and the hood latches. We'll definitely have to hit them with another coat. They were, for some reason, really bad, almost to the point of being dry. So we'll hit them again. But yeah, a big improvement on those.